break here. Hang around a little longer. Superior foot speed is for Tiafoe's gotten in the head of Krajinovic. Remember that second game, if you're watching, Tiafoe hit him in the neck with the short ball. Krajinovic took time out, put ice on it. I don't know if it affected his performance or not, because I like Francis's chances either way. In this situation, he's played with confidence, he's hustled, and done a lot of good things.
Okay, at this point, I believe the last bird is behind this table. Sort of between the table on that ledge and in between that and the screen. And, I mean, he just basically, I mean, he's got room down there. He's not trapped. He just needs to understand that he's in front of a screen and he can't just, you know... He's like 3 days old. He doesn't understand that why he's not able to fly through that screen, so he's going to have to eventually figure out how he has to walk across. And so I think the other birds are over there trying to see him. They're kind of dancing around back there, sort of trying to spur him on. I don't think they really realize what's up. That is also the, I think the new birds are down there. So I would like to go out there. I'm not sure that the other bird is out there. Let's see. No, Cookie. Cookie has to stay inside. Let's see, figure this out. That is actually where that bird is. Yes. See, the bird's there. He's not trapped. Pull this back a little bit, maybe give him some more room, he can see. There you go. There's a bird. This is a newly born bird from this nest. I had 3 of them dancing around up there. Earlier, and here's this one. And I don't know how my presence is going to affect the process. He obviously is scared of me and is hiding from me, so I'm going to back out over here. If the parents come back around trying to get him out, I think they will. I think they will come. You see, they're over there. They were over there. Where are they? Did they get back in? Oh, here's a bird right there. He's right there on the ledge. You can see him. And by the, you might as well see him there. Yeah, you hear noise. He's calling for his mama. These, I believe, are the perhaps other babies, or maybe the mom and the dad. The baby's in there calling, you can hear it. One's back over there. Come back there. I think they're a little nervous about me. I'm gonna go back a little ways. See if me getting out of the scene makes a difference. I'm not sure the video is capturing anything. I'm going to keep it going. You can hear the bird. Those guys are, I think those are the parents. I saw 3. The other 2 have, of course, left the nest and left the porch. This one was kind of right behind them, and he kind of got caught up on that table and then didn't realize exactly where he was. They're kind of over there. You can sort of see them bouncing around, trying to come out. I don't know if that's the, honestly, I don't know if that's the new ones. I wonder what happens if I go in. Here you go, bird. I'm going to walk in. Those things are animated. The bird went. I'm going to kind of stay like this. Oop. I'm shutting the door fully. I don't see the bird at all. Maybe it snuck out when I left. Maybe it's out. Oops, get out of there, Cookie. Damn stupid ass grasshopper.